New Audi A5 in for the Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser. Let's show you how it all works. So if I try and start the vehicle, nothing at all, completely dead. Cannot start the vehicle. So ignition on. Once you're ready, enter the customer's demo code. Flash there of the two rear fog lights. And now if we put our foot on the brake, hit the start button, vehicle then starts. As soon as you switch it off, 5 seconds later, automatically rearms. So if we try and start it again, foot on the brake, nothing at all, completely dead. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony at Car Security, 0330 012 9028.